Hello and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nora G. Today I will show you a quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY, and specifically this will be a coffee station DIY using Dollar Tree items. Okay, but before we get into it, I would like to say that this video is sponsored by Bottle and Flask. And also, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. You can also skip the specific areas in the video by using the timestamp in the description box below. So without wasting much of your time, let's dig in. So first things first, we will be creating the base of our coffee station, and I will be using this wooden slab from a broken shelving unit we had at home, which we just recently threw out. I thought this would make the perfect piece for a wooden tray. Okay, so this is very similar to the bathtub tray that I had done previously, as you can see right now on the screen. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to click on the link in the description box and watch. Okay, so just watch as I do this. So I used the marble contact paper, the black marble contact paper as you saw, over the wooden slab or over the shelving unit, and then I will go ahead to use my X-Acto knife to cut out any excesses on the side, because I have different plants on the front part of this slab, okay, of this tray, if I may call it so. Link to where to purchase this marble contact paper as well as the white one from my previous video can be found in the description box under my Amazon storefront. Okay, now so moving on, I will be using some Mod Podge as well as this gold leaf which I got from Amazon, link in the description box, to actually adorn the front side of the wooden tray. Just watch as I do this. So you could easily cover this area with marble contact paper as well, but I chose to use the gold leaf for an added touch, just to make it different and also to give it some flair. Alright, so I will also use the gold leaf on top of the tray, as you would see as the video progresses. Just keep watching. Okay, so on a side note, I have been getting emails from some of you asking where I get certain items I use in my DIY videos, and I just want to refer back again to my Amazon storefront. It seems like a lot of people do not know that the link is in my description box of all of my videos, so make sure to check that out. And if you do not see any item there that I might have used, you can shoot me an email and I'll be sure to answer you. Thank you. Okay, so now back to our DIY, our coffee station DIY. I am using Mod Podge to create some effect, some gold effect on top of the wooden slab, okay, or on the wooden tray. So I will put the gold leaf as well in some places on top of the slab, just to make it match with what I have on the side, and also to blend in with the rest of the coffee station decor, as you would see. Once done, I allowed to dry for 24 hours, and while that was drying out, I also went ahead to spray these. I also got from the Dollar Tree, these cubes, which I will use at the base of the tray, and this is our final look. Alright, so I used the 4 cubes at the base just to give it an elevated look and also for easy carrying, since this tray does not have handles like the previous one that I did. As you can see, these ones I made handles using some wooden dowels, but for our tray of today, for our coffee station tray, I chose not to give it some handles, just to make it look different, of course, and here's what it looks like. So please do let me know what you think about this in the comments section. And next, we will be transforming some Dollar Tree canisters. Okay, so for the second part of this video, I will be transforming these canisters, which I got from the Dollar Tree for $1.50 each. This is going to be a very quick and easy DIY. Super easy. Okay, so I hate to interrupt your viewing experience, and I do hope you're enjoying this video so far, but today I will quickly like to talk to you about this video's sponsor, which is Bottle and Flask. Alright, so this mug, this lovely mug and teaspoon with a very lovely rectangular saucer was sent to me by Bottle and Flask. I have their website link in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. You just might find something beautiful for yourself, just like I did. I love my mug. It looks so classy, bougie, you name it. Very elegant. They also sent me this stainless steel vacuum cup, which I use for my green tea. The feel of this is out of this world. I really love this. And finally, I also got this lovely blender, smoothie blender, portable one for that matter. You get to charge it with a USB cord, and I carry this around, take it to work, and I can make my smoothie or protein shake anytime, anywhere. How convenient is that? Well, back to our canister transformation. So I am using some tape to cover the areas which I intend to keep as is. And then I will use these rubber bands, as you can see, to create some kind of a decoration or some kind of a textured vase. Alright, so you do not have to place this in a particular order. The idea is to get an abstract kind of look once you're done. Okay, so just watch as I do this. Well, as it is a tradition in Naraji's Nook, if you've watched this video right up to this point, I would love it if you can comment coffee in the comments section and show your girls some love. Thank you all for your continuous support. I appreciate you all so much, and I do not take you all for granted. Okay, so now let's get on. There are so many ways you can actually transform a Dollar Tree canister, or any canister for that matter, so you're not obliged to do exactly what I'm doing, so just do you. Okay, so next I did was to spray paint this gold, and again, this is all personal preference. Using gold, you could use silver or any color of your choosing. Alright, I just wanted to keep everything in line with the mug I received from Bottle and Flask, and also to get the gold theme going. So next I will be taking off the tape as well as the rubber bands around the canisters, after which I went ahead and spray painted the bottles with some glossy finish as well as some protective coat, just to make sure it is long lasting. Oh, as you can see, I made them in different heights just to give it some kind of an effect. Okay, no particular reason. So these are the lids, which I had also gone ahead and spray painted gold and also had a protective film over it. And so I'll be using these lights, which I got from the Dollar Tree, and these were $1 each, $1.50 each, I think. Yeah, so these lights, I'm not exactly sure what these are for, but I really liked the diamond, or the fake diamond at the top of this, and so a crystal diamonds, which I thought would make the perfect adornment on the lids. So I would take out the crystals, as you can see, and use them by themselves on the lids. However, this is another alternative that you can do. You can just have it glued down to the lid directly and spray painted gold as well to match with the lid. But for me, I will be using just the crystals and using my Gorilla Glue, just a dabble, not too much of it because you don't want it to overflow on the lid. I will have that glued onto the top of this, and that will make our canister. Alright, or add some flair to our canister, which was the intention. Just watch as I complete this. I had set this aside to cure properly for about 12 hours, and once that was done, our lid is all set. I will go on to put them together, and at this point, because this is supposed to be a tea, sugar and coffee jar, or tea, sugar and coffee canister, I will use my Cricut Maker to create some labels tagging tea, sugar and coffee, which I will have them placed onto the canisters at a later time, only because I actually do not have vinyl while I was shooting this video, so that will be something I'm going to do later on. That was by the way. So we went from this regular looking canisters to this, and so putting everything together, this is how my small coffee station looks like. So again, I'll be using the canisters for tea, sugar and coffee, majorly because I'm not a coffee drinker. My husband is. He is an avid coffee drinker. I'm a tea person, okay? So please do let me know what you think about this particular DIY. And so that brings us to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this, please do not forget to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching.